You're watching Video Vocab by BusinessEnglishPod.com.
Today's episode is the second of a two-part series on business vocabulary related to the Internet technologies known as Web 2.0.
Web 2.0 gives computer users around the globe more opportunities to interact and collaborate. While many functions seem simple on the surface, there is much going on behind the scenes. Programmers use open architecture and APIs to design and build open-source software and web-based applications. Content management systems make it easier to make universal changes to websites. Browsing through a blog, we might see widgets or plugins used to offer us updated information. We can post text to forums, read other posts, and see them collected together as threads or conversations. And we use avatars to give us a visual presence online, even though these images might not match our true appearance.
Open architecture.
Open architecture.
The term open architecture describes a system that allows third parties to develop products for it. A PC is an example of an open architecture system. You can add components from any manufacturer.
Using a system with open architecture will give us more flexibility.
API, Application Programming Interface. Open APIs, or Application Programming Interfaces, provide a way for different software or services to communicate with each other. This allows information from one site to display information from another website, without having the user click away.
You can use Google's API to integrate their services into your website or programs.
Open source.
Open source.
Open source refers to software that is freely available to be used or modified as a person sees fit. The software is still licensed, and any changes are usually submitted to the originator in a collaborative spirit.
Lou wants to try modifying some open source software for this project.
Web-based application.
Web-based application.
A web-based application is one that uses the Internet for part or all of its functions. Web-based email, wikis, and online auctions are all examples of web-based applications.
Do we need to install software to the hard drive, or is this a web-based application?
Content Management System, CMS.
A content management system, or CMS, is server-based software that allows a user to manage the behind-the-scenes assets of a website, including the text, audio, and video displayed on the site. Using a CMS makes it easier for a website owner to add or modify content because changes can apply to all pages at once.
WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal are three popular CMS packages that are all open source.
Widget.
Widget.
In Web 2.0 terminology, a widget is a specialized application embedded in a web page. The information it offers updates automatically so that the website owner does not have to make changes.
We'd like to add a visitor counter to our website. Is there a widget for that? Plugin.
Plugin.
A plugin is similar to a widget, but refers specifically to the mini application that is plugged in or added to the main software that runs the website.
We're using a plugin to aggregate recent comments from different blogs and display them in a widget on our site.
Post.
Post.
Post can be used as a verb or a noun. If you post to a website, you add content. The content you added is your post.
I posted a comment on John's blog in response to his post about company strategy.
Thread.
Thread.
A thread is a group of sequenced messages or posts related to one topic on a website. Threads are found on blogs, in forums, and in news groups, among other places.
Jenny wanted to learn more about smartphones, so she started a thread on the Tech Gadget forum. She got some great recommendations.
Avatar.
Avatar.
People use avatars to visually represent themselves in online forums, chats, blogs, and social networking sites. Avatars can be drawings, cartoons, photographs, etc.
If you're representing our company online, we ask that you have a professional-looking avatar.
Now it's your turn to practice some of the words we've studied in this episode. You'll hear a series of sentences with a word replaced with a beep. Repeat the whole sentence, but say the missing word. For example, if you hear,
Jason uses a picture of his German Shepherd for his...
you can say,
Jason uses a picture of his German Shepherd for his avatar.
we'll play an example answer after each question. Ready? Let's begin.
Do we need to install software to the hard drive, or is this a web-based? Answer. Do we need to install software to the hard drive, or is this a web-based application?
According to the latest on the company blog, they're going to close the Detroit office next month. Answer. According to the latest post on the company blog, they're going to close the Detroit office next month.
We decided to use open software for this project. Answer. We decided to use open source software for this project.
We'd like to add a to our website that will show the local weather. Answer. We'd like to add a widget to our website that will show the local weather.
The on our forum has over 100 posts so far. Answer. The thread on our forum has over 100 posts so far.
This concludes our two-part series on Web 2.0 terms. You can visit our website at www.businessenglishpod.com to watch and download lots more videos on business English. Thanks for watching, and see you again